how to change username on your Instagram. So first open your Instagram and go to your profile. As you guys know, Instagram username should be unique, so every single user on Instagram has a unique username. You cannot repeat any kind of username. So in order to do that, you as you can see right now, my username is this right here on the top of my screen. And to change it, you just tap on this hamburger menu to open your settings and privacy. And from there, you can go to Account Center, because after the update, everything that you do related with your account is on your Account Center. And from here, you can simply tap on Profiles and choose your profile that you want to change your details from. I want to change my Instagram's username, so I'm just going to tap on Instagram. And here are all of the options. You can change your name, your username, your profile picture, and your avatar. For now, I'm just going to change my username. So it's right now Huritex. So I'm just going to change it to, I'm going to change it the dot to underscore, and like so. So if I do this, this is currently unavailable. So if I just put a dot here, this username is also unavailable. If I do underscore right here and then X here, this username is not available as well. So uh, to change your username, you can just add numbers or letters to your name like so, and tap in your name numbers or letters, and make sure that those characters are not misplaced. And once you do that, just tap on done and your username should be changed.